In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the 1.1.1.1 VPN stuck on connecting or not connecting problem easily on your phone. If your Cloudflare VPN is not connecting, keeps loading, or stuck on connecting, then follow all the steps carefully. First, open the app and tap on the menu icon in the top corner. Now go to Advanced option, then tap on Connection options. Now tap on Reset Security Keys, then tap on Reset All Settings to restore everything to default. Click on Yes. Now go back to the home screen. Open the 1.1.1.1 VPN app info page, then scroll down and tap on Storage. From here, tap on Clear Data. Clearing the app data is required for this fix. Now open the app and try to connect again. The problem should be fixed now. If it's still not working, update the app from the Play Store and try again. If it's still not connecting, then you can also connect more easily by changing the settings shown on the screen now. So that's how you can fix 1.1.1.1 VPN stuck on connecting or not connecting problem. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.